Lead generation for affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to tell you what lead generation is, why it's the single most important thing in affiliate marketing, and how you can apply simple but effective lead generation techniques in your affiliate marketing business right now. So you've probably heard this before. You need an email list. Everybody says that you need an email list, but very few people actually teach you how to build yours. So what is lead generation and how does it apply to affiliate marketing? Lead generation is simply the process of getting the contact of somebody that might be interested in what you have to offer. And the key word here is might be interested. In your case, as an affiliate marketer, that's somebody else's product or offer that you recommend. So now you're probably thinking what I thought when I first learned about this concept. Why can't I just recommend this product to everybody? I mean, I love the product and I want everybody to use it. It can help everybody. Well, no, you can't. First of all, we're talking about content. It's the same for paid advertising. You can't advertise to everybody because nobody has the budget for that. But we're talking about content here, and content-wise, first thing you want is you need to reach people with your content. And I spoke about that in the previous video, that how to create content for affiliate marketing. And if you're interested on that one, just check the card that I'll leave above this video, and you'll find that video. Basically, when you create content, you want to reach somebody, and you will be using keywords to find the searches that people are already doing, and to deliver your content, to put your content in front of an audience. In order for your content to reach people, your content needs to be very specific. It needs to answer specific questions that people are already asking. So no, you can't just say, yeah, affiliate marketing, and expect to tell people to reach people with a concept such as broad as affiliate marketing. In my case, I love affiliate marketing. I teach affiliate marketing. That's what I do with this channel, with my website. But specifically, I have honed in on a topic. Some people call it niche down, and I teach affiliate marketing for content creators. So I teach content creators how to monetize their content with affiliate marketing. That is how I went specific. I still don't make a video, hey, how to monetize your content with affiliate marketing, and that's it. I create specific content for specific answers. So if you found this video, you were probably looking for lead generation for affiliate marketing, and here's what you found. So now that you understand specificity, this is why you cannot recommend your product to everybody. Obviously, you need to focus on a specific audience. All right, so why should you be generating leads in affiliate marketing? You could just offer a product and just expect people to click on the link, no? That's what a lot of people starting affiliate marketing do. They learn some blogging, and they learn how to position their content in search engines. That's what a lot of people actually teach, is how to position your content in search engines, which is harder than it looks if you're talking about Google. On YouTube, it's much easier, but you can't just create content and throw links on it. That's what most bloggers do. So they create a piece of content and they put some links to a product, and they expect that they're gonna get clicks, and they're gonna get commissions and all of that. So yes, in theory, this makes sense, but in practice, it's not that easy, because you see so many bloggers actually asking questions on Quora and on Facebook groups, actually asking why aren't people clicking on my affiliate links, and why even when they click they don't buy the product. So most humans, we need 7 points of contact with some product in order to trust it enough to buy it. And if you're just positioning a piece of content and linking to a product in front of somebody, then you're playing roulette with your content, because you're just hoping that your content is the one that will make people want to buy the product. Maybe your video or your blog post, yes, provided some helpful information, but that person will go on to read another blog post or to watch another video, and when they do that, that's probably the link they're gonna click. So you're kind of playing roulette there. I mean, you're expecting that by luck, people will follow your content and your recommendation. Whilst if you do create an email list, so if you send that person who just watched your content, who consumed your content, who actually found your content helpful, you then offer them something, or you actually motivate them enough. You don't need to offer them something, but you motivate them enough that they will go onto your email list. You can send them an email later. You can actually have an automation email that will help them or will continue to link them with your content. So let's say here I'm teaching lead generation for affiliate marketing, and then you would go on to my email list, and on the next and I would send you an email automatically that would tell you, all right, so now that you know how to generate leads with your content, how do you actually make those leads pay you or buy something that you are an affiliate for? And then in that email I would tell you, all right, so here's how you actually can now turn your subscribers into, actually I do have a little PDF that helps you turn subscribers into, email subscribers into actually paying clients, and I will talk about that a bit later in the video. So this is probably the main reason why you want to acquire an email list. So why do you want to generate leads for your business? Yes, your content is very important, but you want people to remain in contact. You don't want them to only consume one piece of content of yours, because you want them you want to create a relationship with your audience, and your email list is always going to be there. Let's say now for some reason YouTube removes my channel, but you are on my email list. I can create another YouTube channel, or I can start making videos on Facebook, and I can just send you an email and say, listen, YouTube took off my channel, but I have this, I'm going live on Facebook tomorrow and I'm gonna teach this. Are you interested? If yes, all right, here's the link to my Facebook group or whatever. And all of that is through your email list. So these platforms don't belong to you. Even your content, I mean, the content is created by you, but it's not hosted on your platform unless it's your website. Still, people go to your website and they leave your website. In your email list, you can, they're just one email away. You can send them an email and tell them whatever you want them to know, recommend whatever you want them to recommend them, or continue helping them, more content, whatever you think they need at that time, at that moment. Just for you to fully understand the importance of lead generation, let me tell you something. Why do you think that Facebook bought WhatsApp? Why do you think Facebook bought Instagram? Why did Microsoft buy Skype? Do you think they actually needed to buy that? I mean, WhatsApp is a free platform, is a free application, it doesn't even have ads. What do you think Facebook earned from that? It was, they were actually losing money in WhatsApp, if I'm not mistaken, when Facebook bought them. They didn't have a way to generate money. Facebook wanted the leads, they wanted the contacts, the points of contact from these people. Microsoft, the same thing. Why did they buy Skype? Because they wanted the contact. It's all about the list, it's all about the email list. So how can you start building your email list right now? All right, the first thing you need to understand is, you've probably heard about lead magnets. That's what people think, okay, I need to build an email list, I need a lead magnet to make people come to my list. The thing about lead magnets is they're not as complicated as you might think, as most people actually make a big thing about lead magnets, that you have to build it, to create a PDF, you have to create a course. Actually, a course is a very good lead magnet. A lead magnet is nothing but a promise. A promise. It's nothing, you don't need to deliver anything. The lead magnet is actually the promise that the person will receive something. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, think about it. You're recommending a product, but if you actually promise the person the result from that product, they will probably subscribe to your email list. So that promise can come in the form of a headline, just a simple headline. Let's imagine the following headline: how to build an email list of 1,000 contacts in as little as 1 week. That is a lead magnet. It's a promise. I'm promising to teach you how to build this. Then after that promise, it can be delivered anyway. And it can be a PDF with a guide teaching you that. It can be a course. it can be just somebody else's course, and I'm just giving you the headline, subscribe here, and I'm gonna show you how. And on the next page, I'm gonna position a bridge page, which is just probably a video of me talking and telling you about that course, somebody else's course. All right, this guy created an amazing course, I went through that course, it had great results for me, here's how you can do it as well. And you've already subscribed to my email list. So in this case, as you can see, it's just a promise. And actually, I have created a video teaching exactly how to build an email list for affiliate marketing using a concept like this one, using videos, other people's videos, so videos from the product that you want to promote. I'm gonna leave a card for that one here, over here, so you can just follow that card if you want to understand the strategy. I show you in the computer step by step how I create something like that. So that is a lead magnet. You can create something. You can create a PDF like the one I'm gonna tell you about, that I created in a little while. But most of the times the best lead magnets are the ones that are really simple, and they just promise to deliver something. Now, just make sure that when you promise something to your audience, you do deliver. I try to give as much as possible to my audience before actually asking for anything. In reality, it is my belief that I don't really ask for anything, I just give. So I create content teaching people how to do something, I recommend something to them. So I'm going to recommend to you as well a program that can help you a great deal to start and actually to grow your affiliate marketing business. But I'm going to talk about that one in a little while. All right, so let's put this into perspective. So now you're creating content about a product that you want to recommend, or content that leads to a product. Instead of just sending them straight to the product, what you can do is you position a page in between it, where in between your content and the product, in the form of a promise, where in this page what you're doing is you're telling people, all right, I'm going to help you achieve this result that you've been learning about in this video or in this blog post, but in order to do so, here's my promise to you. And you create a headline, like I told you before. All right, how to create an email list of 1,000 contacts in 7 days or less. And then you can just specify free PDF or whatever. Or if it's not a PDF, a free video, and it's not even your video, or it could be your video. Now, after that comes the product, the actual product. So there's this amazing challenge that you can get access for only $2. It's called the Legendary Marketers 15-Day Challenge, and they have an ebook that is delivered with the challenge called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, and this is the best training out there for you to get started. So if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, understand these concepts, actually you will actually even get a copy of a bridge page, which actually helps you with this system I'm teaching you here, which is basically your content. You can even do it with advertising, bridge page, and then the product. This is the basic of affiliate marketing success. When you understand this, when you master this strategy, so content, bridge page, product, this is all you need to know. So I recommend you follow this, the link I'll leave in the description below, and you will and have a look at the 15-day challenge. This is costs less than a cup of coffee probably in some places, and it has probably everything you need for affiliate marketing success. Now, once you start building your email list, once you start generating those leads, please do not forget about them. Don't just leave them there in your email list and without contacting them. So when I started my first blog, and I kept hearing, oh, okay, you need to build a list, you need to build a list. So eventually I learned how to start building a list. So how to get people into my email list. But the problem was I managed to generate 400 leads without even sending an actual email to them. So I had an email list and I wasn't emailing them. When I eventually sent them an email, I think this was about a year later, I had 400 emails there, and people didn't even remember who I was or why they subscribed to my email list. So most of them actually, well, not most of them, but quite a lot of them unsubscribed from that when they received my first email. They didn't know who I was. And I mean, what's the point of having an email list if you don't continue providing value? I mean, you won't sell anything if you don't email them, but you won't help them either. And that's the whole purpose of this affiliate marketing business, is to help people solve their problems. So I would advise you to forget about commissions, because this is a huge blockage in our minds. It helped to me, it blocked me, and I believe it blocks most of the people. Once you actually start helping somebody to reach a destination, to help somebody fix their problems or solve their problems, then you will have an audience, you'll have an email list, and you have an affiliate marketing business. People will start following your recommendations, and they will start and you'll start to get commissions. So, like I said, please do not leave your email list abandoned. Please remain in contact with them, and the first thing you need to do for that is to actually send them welcome emails. In my case, I like to send a welcome sequence, at least of 3 emails in the first 3 days. So we start warming them up, and you start actually telling them who you are. As in this video, you don't know anything about me. So I will leave in the description below the link to a PDF that with the 3 templates. You can just copy and paste those emails, put them in your autoresponder, and actually these emails are specifically created to tell you about me, and in your case, obviously, you'll tell them about you or what you're about, and it helps them even transform these subscribers into paying customers. So again, you'll find the link to that PDF in the description below. You can just download it for free. All right, so let's just recap. Content, a promise that leads people to your email list, and then a recommendation. And then you will keep emailing people. Next week you'll tell them, once after they receive those 3 emails, you'll see how they work. I have actually the whole guide explains what's the purpose of those emails. It's actually to keep helping people and for them to get to know you as their guide. So alright, so once again, create content, lead generation, and then recommend the product. This is it's as easy as that. The lead generation can be a video, somebody else's video, and actually I have a video already teaching you how to use this method. I've used it before. I've grabbed somebody's video from YouTube and I've used it as my lead generation technique. So basically I just placed the video and I asked people to subscribe to watch that video. Yes, the video is free, it's on YouTube, but would you find it if I didn't recommend it to you, if I didn't put it right there? It's not that hard to give me an email list, your email address for me to give you that video. It's all about the way you position it and about the promise that you make and the delivery. You always must deliver that product, that promise. Now, if you think this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about what I just spoke about, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you or even create a video if I think it's necessary about it. And remember to subscribe to keep learning how to turn your content into passive income. For now, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.